Hey, what's up everyone? This is the video for this detector filler number 4. Looking for top spot. Advance to the main. We are live. 638. 638. List here. 10 entries. Bruno on the top. Karma on the bottom. 2 dice. 5 or higher. We got 9 times. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8 times, you got Karma on the top. You must go 9. Good luck at 639. 639. Last and final roll. Top spot gets this. Top spot advances to the main. Congratulations goes to spot 5, Ron. Congratulations, Ron. Go ahead and pick your spot in the main. We are done at 639. 639. Congratulations, Ron. Ron. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Have a good afternoon or good evening. Take care.